Do you know that you have the option to embroider your built-in sewing designs? Watch this. Let's go ahead and come over here. Anything from buttonholes, eyelets, or these bigger decorative stitches can be brought in to embroider. And because they stitch out really fast in the sewing side, they embroider out really fast. So I'm going to just go ahead, we'll go into our K menu, and let's just use this little tulip. You can put together a string of decorative stitches and bring them over. Let's just go ahead and do this as just one design. Let's combine this with another technique you have. You can have this be, you can line them up, you can put them in with other designs, but what about down here, there's an option called design shaping. Let's do this. Design shaping allows you to take the selected design, pick what shape you want it to be in. Let's pick a circle. And let's tell it how many we want. Down here where it says 1, we can plus, or I usually just touch the open, where I can type in, say, for example, 12. And it will spin these little designs around a circle for a total of 12. Now, they have a little part where it's separated. So if we were to bring this together a little bit, I'm going to shrink these down. I bet we could get those so they'll actually touch. And if you need to go up or down a little bit less or more in a smaller increment, you can use the control center to do just that. So let's go ahead and touch OK. See what we have. We've got the little flowers touching each other. And believe me, there's only 2,700 stitches in here. This is going to stitch out fast. It'd be a great quilting design when you layer up your fabric with batting and quilt your decorative stitches through all your layers. Let's add one more element. I mentioned buttonholes. Why don't we go to the buttonhole menu? So I'm coming up to the stitch menu, not the built-in embroidery ones, the one with the straight and the zigzag. Touch the B for buttonholes. And you can choose any of the buttonhole styles. But what about these little eyelets? Let's just bring in an eyelet and do the exact same thing. So let's come down to, let's put it in the center and then go to design positioning. Let's once again pick 12 items. We don't even have to think here because it's going to spin these for us. All right, so the first one it comes out is a line. So let's go ahead and pick our circle. And it puts the circle, look, and puts it way out there. Why don't we just bring those down? Eyelets, we could go ahead and string some ribbon through here once it has embroidered, and we cut them open. So you could have a fun little extra element of some texture with a ribbon. Come down here, pull it out, and tie a little bow at the bottom. Let's touch OK and see what this design is going to look like. I'm going to actually zoom in, touch the magnifying glass, and zoom to, we'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see the final design. Oh, how fun. And that didn't take a lot of work at all. Keep in mind, do you remember how many decorative stitches you have? The possibilities are unlimitless.